Welcome back to Chem with Kes. Here today we're talking about the addition reactions for alkenes using now dichlorocarbene. Well, that's really what we're forming today. And I like to call that a party hat. So get ready, get your pens and pencils ready. Again, it's to make sure you come up with fun ways to remember things. So for this one, just to point out at the bottom when I say any base, the bulkier it is, the better. So this is like a tert butoxide. So that just really helps the reaction move forward. You don't need to know a mechanism for this, but I like to give you the fun phrase that I used a long time ago, or I believe a student gave this one to me. So I got in my car to go get my hair done, and I went with my 3 friends, Claire. So that helps that out. We went for the solvent, we went to go get a keg of alcohol. Hey, I was just trying to remember it, so do not bash me for giving you these phrases. I went to go get a keg of alcohol, and I lost one of the Claire's on the way. So that's kind of my little phrase. It's long, but I guarantee you'll remember it. So again, the idea is where the double bond happens, you're creating a dichlorocarbene, which I call a party hat. So I think about when I was a kid, I had this hat they would put on my face. I would act happy, and it would have the streamer things coming out of it. So that's the best party hat I could draw you. So the same idea here, and then we already stated earlier that if they wanted to see stereochemistry for it, then you have to remember that the triangle, again, is always cis. It's your choice of whether you do it wedge or dashes. And then your CLs, because they're large, the idea is they can't be on the same plane. So one will be the CL that's on the back versus the other one is on the front. Some instructors let you get away with just writing it planar version, but just in case they state that they want stereochemistry, please provide that to them. And then, of course, this one is also the same, but looks a little bit different, only because we're changing the stereochemistry, and the CLs always have to be opposite of each other. So both of those are the same answers. And again, dichlorocarbene, once you memorize this, just remember it gives you a hat with a smiley face. So let me know how you feel about this one.